expertise. He plays a pivotal role in shaping Karnataka's economic landscape and fostering industrial growth. Having served as secretary to 2 chief ministers of Karnataka, director in the Prime Minister's office, and joint secretary in the Department of Economics Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, his reforms credentials includes leading the rollout of Karnataka's digital land record system Bhumi, implementing World Bank and ADB assisted projects, and spearheading infrastructure and compliance reforms across departments. An advocate of investor-centric governance, he currently leads Karnataka's single-window digital approval system and investment promotion strategy. With a round of applause, please join me in welcoming on our dais Dr. S. Selvakumar, IAS.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here for this important Japan-India Mobility Summit 2026. Distinguished guests from Japan and India, Mr. Takayama-san from METI, Mr. Yamazaki-san from the Embassy of Japan, Mrs. Geetanjali Kirloskar from Toyota Kirloskar, Dr. V.K. Saraswat, Member Niti Aayog, industry leaders, innovators, and friends. It is truly fitting that we gather here today at a moment when the global mobility industry is undergoing one of its most profound transformations in over a century. From internal combustion engines to electrification, from mechanical vehicles to software-defined mobility, and from fossil fuels to multi-pathway clean energy systems, the future of mobility is being rewritten. And in this transformation, Japan and India stand as natural partners. The relationship between Japan and India has always been more than trade or investment. It is a partnership based on trust, technology, and long-term vision. Japan has played a transformative role in India's industrial development, from infrastructure to manufacturing and advanced engineering. In the mobility sector, this partnership is even more visible. Companies such as Toyota, Suzuki, Honda, Nissan, Denso, and Aisin have shaped the Indian automotive industry over the past 4 decades. They have not only brought investment, but also global quality standards, manufacturing excellence, and engineering discipline. Today, India is among the largest automotive markets in the world, and Japanese companies remain among its most trusted partners. But the next chapter of this partnership is even more exciting. Mobility is no longer defined by a single technology. The future will be shaped by multiple pathways working together. This summit's agenda reflects this multi-pathway vision, bringing together discussions on bioenergy, hydrogen, innovation ecosystems, startups, and digital mobility. This is precisely where Japanese technology, depth, and India's market scale create a powerful combination. Japan leads in precision engineering, fuel cell technology, hybrid systems, and advanced materials. India brings market scale, digital innovation, talent, and cost-effective manufacturing. Together, we can shape the future of sustainable and intelligent mobility for the world. Within India, Karnataka has emerged as a key hub for mobility innovation and advanced manufacturing. The state is hosting almost 800 plus R&D centers, leading automotive engineering and software development ecosystems, 2000 plus GCCs, one of India's strongest startup ecosystems in mobility and deep technology. Our Clean Mobility Policy 2025 to 2030 aims to attract more than 50,000 crore of investments and generate 1 lakh new jobs across the mobility value chain. We are developing dedicated mobility clusters that integrate OEM manufacturing, component supply chains, R&D and testing infrastructure, and clean energy integration. For global companies looking to build the future of mobility, Karnataka offers a complete ecosystem from design to deployment. Japan already plays a major role in Karnataka's industrial ecosystem. Japanese companies have invested across automotive manufacturing, electronics, advanced engineering, and industrial automation. Karnataka hosts dedicated Japanese industrial township park that reflect the strong and growing partnership between Japan and the state. In the mobility sector specifically, Toyota Kirloskar Motor stands as a landmark example of the success of the India-Japan partnership. But the future opportunities go far beyond conventional vehicles. The next frontier lies in battery technologies, hydrogen ecosystems, smart mobility platforms, and software-defined vehicles. And this is where Japan's innovation and Karnataka's technology ecosystem can come together. The future of mobility will not be built by countries alone. It will be built by partnerships between governments and industry, between technology and manufacturing, and most importantly, between Japan and India. Event like this Japan-India Mobility Summit brings together visionaries, innovators and policymakers to shape that future. On behalf of Government of Karnataka, I extend a warm welcome to all our partners from Japan and India. We look forward to deepening our collaboration and building the next chapter of mobility together. Arigatou gozaimasu.